In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find files for apps from the Microsoft Store. So whether you're curious about where your apps are stored or you need to troubleshoot something, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, let's head over to the Microsoft Store. You can easily do this by opening up your Start menu and typing in Microsoft Store, then hitting Enter. Once you're there, you'll find a world of apps, games, and other exciting content for your Windows PC. But our focus today is on diving a little deeper into the mysteries of file locations. After you've landed on the Microsoft Store page, look for the settings icon. It's usually located at the top right corner of the app window, shaped like a gear. Give it a click. This will bring up the settings menu, which is your control center for personalizing how apps and games behave on your system. Now let's get to the part where we find our app files. Within the settings, you will see an option that reads Game Installation Options. Click on that. Here's where you get behind the curtain. This section allows you to manage where your games are installed. Although it's labeled for games, the concept applies broadly to your apps as well. As you explore this area, you'll see options for changing the default location where new content is stored. By altering this setting, you're essentially directing where future downloads will be housed. This is useful if you're trying to keep some order on your drives or if you're working with limited space on a single disk. Now, what if you want to find the files for an app you've already installed? Unfortunately, the Microsoft Store doesn't straightforwardly expose the exact file paths for its apps, as these are protected folders. However, there's an indirect way to peek under the hood. Navigate to C+ Program Files + Windows Apps on your computer. Keep in mind this is a protected folder, so you might face some restrictions initially. Once you've navigated there, you'll likely need to adjust your permissions to gain access. Be cautious here, adjusting permissions can have broader implications on your system's security. Proceed only if you're comfortable with this, and perhaps after you've backed up any important data. Though you won't find direct shortcut paths like conventional file systems, understanding these locations can help in troubleshooting issues or managing your storage efficiently. Remember, keeping your system organized is key to ensuring a smooth and hassle-free user experience. And there you have it. We've learned how to access installation settings through the Microsoft Store and the basics of where to find app files on your system. I hope this guide has made the process clear and helpful. If you found this video informative, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.